Hi guys and welcome or welcome back to the Taste and Bloom Kitchen. My name is Yasmi and today I'm making one of my pregnancy cravings, street style fried turkey, popularly known as Chofi in Ghana. I added a little twist as per usual to the recipe, so please stay with me and let's do this. So because turkey is tough, I'm going to first steam my turkey. So I used the turkey wings. I didn't get the tail at the time of the video. So this is well cleaned. I'm going in with just powdered ginger and garlic. And then I'm going to cover this and allow it to steam in its own juices. So this took about 15 to 20 minutes. And I have here some cooked beetroots. That's the juice around it, okay? I'll be using it later on. Trust me, this replaced the red food coloring, the artificial one, perfectly. So you see how I'll use it later, okay? And I also have here some onions, ginger, and garlic. Yes, the holy trinity of Ghanaian spices. That is what I'm going to be using to season the turkey later on. So stay with me, okay? So this is after the first 5 minutes. As you can see, the turkey has begun releasing its juices into my saucepan. I'm going to give it a quick stir. I'm not going to add any water, okay? And then cover and allow it to continue steaming on low heat. So this is about 20, no, maybe 15 minutes, and look at the juice around it. I'd gone in to stir about 4 times and then my turkey was ready in no time. So I'll set it aside and then go ahead to prepare my marinade, okay? So this is my pureed beetroots, the one I showed earlier that I had cooked, okay? And I'm going in with some chicken seasoning and salt. And also, yes, I blended the beetroots with the onions, ginger, and garlic. So they're all in there, okay? And then I'm going to use this to marinate my turkey. So, like I said, the beetroot mixture is so that I avoid the artificial food coloring. You know, when you're pregnant, you want to be as safe or as healthy as possible. So, I didn't want to risk adding any food coloring to my food and then it will cost me wahala later. I'm sure you know what I mean. Okay, so I went ahead to use the beetroot and the other ingredients as a mixture to marinate my turkey. Trust me, you will not taste a hint of the beetroot in there. I just wanted to try to see if I'll get the red Chofi color they sell on the streets. Okay, so it went into my fridge overnight, and then the next day I began to fry it. At this point, I was excited because I wanted to see how the final result was going to be like. Okay, so in my heated oil, I went in with my turkey pieces, and because I had steamed it earlier, it was a bit softer but still very firm. If this is your first time here, hello. Like I said in the beginning, my name is Yasmi. Please consider subscribing and joining this amazing blooming family. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch my videos. At this point, I was getting excited. I'm like, okay, let's wait and see. Okay, but I was just waiting patiently to be sure that the red food coloring or my beetroot coloring will stick. And yeah, I wasn't feeling it, but I'm like, okay, let me just finish frying it, okay? Oh, and let me throw the disclaimer out there. I'm not saying I'm pregnant, too. I said this was one of my pregnancy cravings. So this is like a throwback, if you'd like, okay? So once I began to flip my turkey, I just realized that it is what it is. It was not going to be red as on the streets, but hey, I tried something. Maybe next time I'll try steaming the turkey in the beetroot juice or puree or something, and then I'll see if that outcome is different. But of course, I enjoyed this so much with some fried yam, and it tasted so good and was very well seasoned. I hope you are inspired to try this recipe. I mean, cooking is all about experimenting. Please give me a thumbs up on the video, leave a comment down below how you feel about this recipe, and share this video once you're done watching, and let's keep the family growing. Thank you so much for joining me today, and until we meet again, please keep blooming.